Now, what do we have here? Funny eggs! Would you just look at them, friends? Oh no, let's find them! This is a cow! And here we have our missing chick. It's red. Who's that? A pig. And here? It's a duck. Let's check this house. Bingo! Dark blue chick. Who's in here? It's a sheep. How about this house? A donkey. The last house. Yay, we've got it! Green chick. These are shapes. A circle. And this one? It's a rectangle. Next, triangle. This one here is a square. And finally, a pentagon. Let's fill them in. This is a triangle, remember? And a square. Whoa, we've got a chick. It's blue. Let's keep going. Ah, what luck. One more chick. It's orange. We gotta finish here. Yay, we found the last chick. It's yellow. There you go, little fella. Bye-bye.